is 18th of August 2021. Sorry, it's actually 19th of August 2021, and I'll be talking about MyDEAL, which the SX codes MYD. This is a consumer cyclical stock, one of the online stores that has been taking a lot of pressure on the stock since the IPO last year. So we want to take a look whether this could be potentially a good opportunity to enter, provided that a lockdown could have pumped the profit of these companies. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just as from BGA Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to buy and sell stocks, how we use the indicators to set up targets, set up stop losses, and obviously one of the most important things that we want to avoid doing is buying at the FOMO area. So if you like the way we trade and the content of this channel, please subscribe it now and share this video with someone that you believe they could be adding value to. Very important for our growth in this business. So let's have a look what's happening. So MyDEAL is one of the one online company just being released in the market last year, and obviously if you're looking at the last quarter result released in July, just last month, they had again like record quarter sales up 12%, record annual gross sales in FY21 up 111%. That's really good numbers, guys, really good numbers. And also record quarter revenue up 40%, which is another great number. Record annual revenue was up 149%. And active customer, this is one of the interesting things, like active customers up to 83%. However, from the active customers, what we want to do is we want to see what's the percentage of the recurrent customers, people that actually bought one time and have liked the experience, liked the product, and came back to buy it again. And this is 59%, which is pretty good. I would say that's pretty good, and it's better than the previous quarter as well, which was 56%. So this is good. 56.1%, now 59%. That's better, right? So provided the company will be releasing the results early on 24th, so which is early next week. Is it 24th early next week, or was actually Friday? Yeah, early next week. So it's Tuesday next week. We saw a big increase of volume in the trade today, and it could potentially be a rally around the corner. So you want to take a look what's happening with the share price of MyDEAL.com.au, up 5% today. So this is when they released in the market on the IPO. The stock went up all the way to $2.10. It's actually reached $2.10, and now currently trading 69% below these all-time sort of intraday level, which is quite a big drop. Like if you bought the IPO, and honestly, I'm not fan of buying IPOs. Normally, it's good for the company only and the co-founders, but normally it's not my thing to buy IPOs. I want to actually have a record of what's happening in the business before, so it's much more secure. So and then after that, the price has consolidated around this, but then with the plateau, the company actually released this sort of growth figures. It was a kind of a little bit of a plateau here, as you can see, from the last two quarters, and that is who actually has triggered this further fall. But now with the lockdowns, I'm actually very optimistic, and also the fact that as you can see, we're money flowing from one sector to the other. We're seeing a lot of material sector money, especially if iron ore mines like BHP, Rio, and Fortescue, money being flowing out of these stocks, and I'm pretty sure investors were looking at where could be the good opportunities to buy. And I'm confident, we're actually confident that consumer cyclical and consumer defensive could be, it's definitely a sector, both sectors are mostly undervalued, and stocks that are still doing well, especially with lockdowns, it could be the big beneficiary in that. So what we wanted to do is we want to find the right point, which is at the right time, and then take advantage of that and potentially make our 20 to 30% out of this trade. And then obviously after that, we just get out of the stock. Now, I think this could be a very interesting one. Let's apply our indicators and our KPIs now to see whether this is time to enter. As you can see here, there was a swing on the share price of 34% here. This wasn't our trade, just to disclose that we didn't trade that. I was just analyzing. Swings up about 34% here in May, and then we have another share price rally in July at the release of the results, and then obviously the share price has came down, which came down about 18% sort of thing, and now we're sitting around this time. Now look at this. What we have here, it's a bullish intersection level 1, which happened right here when the yellow line crosses the red line, which is our first green tick to buy stock that is growing. And also we had today our bullish intersection, just a confirmation that bullish intersection level 2, this bullish intersection level 2 here, which means the candle was crossing and trading above the yellow line, has actually been confirmed here, despite this red candle, which is good. And also what I noticed is we also have a confirmation of really high volume on the upside, which it doesn't need much here because this stock has a low liquidity, only 130 trades, but which also gives us a good upside quickly if all we need to do is have few pretty good buyers on the market, then the stock should jump quite well. So this is one of the stocks we believe could be interesting. But again, like this is just based on our thoughts and analysis of the current share price. And again, we always buy when the stock is trading under or at SMA, so we avoid FOMO. This entry around this level means that we are not FOMO into this stock. Okay, so if you have any questions about our analysis, please leave at the comments below. In addition to that, I would like to invite you guys to become a member of our free Facebook group, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. We post a lot of analysis in this group, and if you really want to have access to some of the analysis that we do and have some great quality conversation about stocks that could potentially go up and make some profit, this is potentially the group that you'll be looking for. Okay, guys, this was my taking. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and have a great afternoon. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.